Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard and I'm popping on very quickly to show a project share that I have, and I have been sick again, surprise. So I'm sorry if my voice gets really horrible through this. It was another really bad virus. This is a sort of mostly Maggie Holmes inspired little stuffed loaded slash quote unquote gently loaded envelope. My stuff's falling out. And it was fun to make. It was really simple. I just took some 6x6 paper. I think this is from Gather. I took some 6x6 paper and sewed it together to make a couple pockets on one side. Actually, start that over. So these are two 6x6 pages sewn together. So that makes one pocket. Let me take the stuff out so you can see that. So there's a paper and there's a paper. And on the other side, I will take this out. I cut a paper in half and then I made two pockets that way. So I basically doubled, because these are single-sided, I glued them together first, if that makes sense. So I took so a total of 4 6x6 papers, glued them together, and then took one and cut it in half and made little pockets. If that doesn't make sense, oh my goodness. I don't know, I'm confused. So anyway, you get the idea. I mean, it's pretty simple, sewn together there for a quickie stabilization, and then it gives you room to stuff things. Into this larger pocket here, I took the opportunity to make a little set of stuff that someone could give away or keep or use, and it's this little box. And I think I'm slated to do a video on that soon. It's a We Are Memory Keepers box with some of the bottom paper. There is the Maggie Holmes, and then the top is this pink, and then there's this stitched bow die for the topper, and then I just quickly decorated that. So that goes in that pocket. And then I glued on a pocket that I had left over from another project, and I stuffed it full of tags and goodies. I decorated with some flowers from the collection, and some digital prints that I had, and some washi. Actually, this is Prima washi that I had from the Havana. That went really well with it, so I went ahead and put some on there. That turned out fun. A little ticket there. And then I made this little crepe paper embellishment from obviously crepe paper, and then this gold scallop, some of the paper, and then a little bow on top. And I made a little ticket from a die that I had, and some banners from the banner die out of some of the scraps. So like I said, this is kind of a quick one here. So it's a great little gift to give to somebody. Got some little crafty goodies in there. For these pockets, I would have a Spellbinders die that I made a little bookmark out of some white cardstock and some of the paper from the collection. Then they can use that as a bookmark. This is a Stampin' Up die, some beautiful gold foil cardstock, pretty. People can use that how they see fit. I made a little journal, sewed it down the middle, just with some copy paper and some of the beautiful yellow paper. I rounded the corners, and then this is a new Spellbinders die I was testing out, so I went ahead and inked the flower part and the leaves with some distress ink, and then it comes with this backing piece, so I went ahead and put that on there. I thought that turned out really pretty and simple. Made a quick little notebook they can use to jot down whatever. And then I made this little envelope out of some digital paper that I had. So I simply just folded it over and did some gluing. I put a little Velcro closure on there. And then inside I have a little washi sample from that Prima Havana, and then I have some ribbon in here. That's a fun little gift for someone to get. A cute little envelope, and then I put a flower from the collection on there, and then a sticker from a sticker book that I had gotten at Joann's that says more of this. And then you just stick it right in there. And just a fun little project. I just wanted to pop on and show that to you. Give you some ideas if you need any ideas. Hopefully that inspired you to make something today. Thanks guys so much for joining me. Have a great day.